Due process ba yung apela? Sabi ng batas, appeal is not a natural right. It is not also a constitutional right. Ang apela, mag-appeal ka, hindi yan natural right na automatic. Hindi yan also constitutional right. It is only granted by a law. Ibig sabihin, kung walang batas na nagsasabi na na may karapatan kang mag-appeal, hindi yan in violation to your right to due process. Ibig sabihin, nagbase lang ang appeal sa batas. Kung ang sabi ng batas na ang desisyon ng isang administrative agency is already final and executory, hindi na dapat, wala ka na right to appeal, pwede yan. Kasi that is not in violation to right to due process because an appeal is not a natural right. It is not also a constitutional right. It is a statutory right granted by an ordinary law.